What is going on, everybody? Block Topic speaking with another daily Bitcoin price prediction. Technical analysis is what we do on this channel. If you want to support this channel, guys, I'd appreciate it. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to not miss out on any upcoming videos of mine, guys. So let's dive right into the charts. And since yesterday, to be honest, nothing much has happened. As I like to call it, we have some sideways fuckery on the market. And I don't like sideways fuckery because it's annoying and boring. But yeah, let's come to the options. I told you already yesterday, 3 options in my opinion. We have the yellow option, which tells me we topped out here. We have an ABC irregular correction. And this means in this option, there are 2 options. Either we see further downside from this point on, either C goes all the way up into the yellow box, which is likely, really likely because we have the 5-wave move retracements, and we would see a retracement to the 50% to 79% level, and yeah, it could be true. And we have the 5-wave move up here, we have a retracement, we have a 5-wave move up here, we have a retracement, and a 5-wave move up here. So this option gives me the highest level. We could reach 18k before we see further downside. The other one is we drop lower here already, also possible. But in my opinion, guys, option 3, as I told you yesterday, I wasn't sure about option 3, but as I look at the chart, as I recalculate everything, the blue option looks the most promising to me. It's just the cleanest option. I know wave 4 looks weird, but if I remeasure those things, yeah, for example, it's exactly the wave size here. Let's go to wave 3. Wave 3 is a little longer than 1.61, but that doesn't matter. Actually, it's the cleanest wave count in my opinion. If we count this as 5th wave, and then we would have ABC regular correction. This is A wave, and we could see a B wave down to 6,530 before we see more upside into the blue square. And we take, to calculate the wave C, we use wave A and put it right here. Yeah, that's wave C. I mean, it could also be 1.61 and go all the way up here. Also possible all the way up to 18k. But guys, how I play this at the moment, I have a short open with small leverage. I can take the short-term loss. It's no problem to me. But I also have a long open with a bigger leverage. And I would place my stop loss below here if you really want to be safe, yeah, because I make money if we go down here, and doesn't matter if I lose the money. This is just my way of trading this. But you could wait until here for the long. That's also an option. Then you can definitely use a higher leverage. But I would place my stop loss below 16,200. Yeah, so it's a big distance. So don't use too much leverage on this one and too much money. Or you can set your stop loss right below here, 16,450, maybe like this, right under the fib level here. That's also a possibility. But yeah. So guys, those are the 3 options. If you look at the MACD, MACD still points to the upside, but could go to the downside already. We have a bearish divergence here, walking all the way up here, and about to drop anytime soon. Let's take a look at the bigger picture of Bitcoin. As I always tell you, we are in a 5-wave move to the downside in my opinion. 3rd wave most likely is the longest wave in elite with wave theory, at least down to 13.3, 10.9, somewhere in this square, until we see another bounce all the way in the 4th square, and then the 5th square is 10.8 to 9.6. But those do not have to be accurate. I have to see this move first before I can calculate those. So it's just approximately, this is how I think Bitcoin is going to move. And if we have a look at the 4-hourly, we can see it's turning to the downside, but In my opinion, it's too early for seeing a big downside move. I think we still need to get above the 0 level to see a bigger downside move, and we will, in my opinion, see a big downside move. So what come up here? Also, this is the SMMA in the 4 hour, the 200 SSMA in the 4 hour. We could come up here, see a bounce, and then we can travel all the way down to here. Yeah, that's just how I see it. I want to show you also the weekly. There is bullish divergence. We have, this is from the beginning of the bear market all the way up here, and you can draw a line down here, and you can see we are exactly below this line, and we bounced once, twice, 3 times. If you count this 4 times, 5 times. So it is likely we bounce another time. We are pretty low already, but I think it's likely we bounce another time before we break through. If we break this this trend, we might see a lot more upside. We might be in the bull market again. But guys, to be honest, I don't see the bull markets anytime soon, because just the stock markets look pretty bad. And guys, to be honest, the bear market is not that bad. In the bear market, the most millionaires are made. In the bear markets, the people who keep their nerves will make a lot of money. So guys, I'm happy to be in the bear market, to be honest, and I want to stay in the bear market as long as it takes. I want to see Bitcoin all the way down to 6-7k, where I think Bitcoin is heading to. I want to see it, yeah, because I know I can buy even more Bitcoin. If you can say I'm greedy, I don't care. I think Bitcoin needs this to get even higher levels. I think it's a healthy move for Bitcoin to go all the way down to this, to bedrock, before we see more upside, guys. This is just how I see it. And if you stay with me, if you stay with me in this, I guarantee you we will be winners at the end. In the next bull market, we will shine the brightest of all of them. Yeah. So guys, if you haven't made money today, you will probably make money tomorrow. So that's actually it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you soon. I guess I'll see you tomorrow.